This is the Zipline Plus swing set from NinjaSafe, and if you're just getting started in trying to set up things for your kids to have fun and get exercise in your backyard and want to get the most bang for your buck, this is where I think you should start. Today we're going to show you how to set it up and also give you our thoughts on it, so stay tuned. To set up, first you're going to need a couple trees, at least a foot in diameter, ideally between 40 and 60 feet apart. Next, see how high your kids can reach up the tree and add the tree protector and your first strap about 3 feet above that. Once the strap is around the tree, pull it through the loop on the end and be sure to create a little V in the strap, which will help ensure that it stays flat. Repeat the process on the other tree before pulling the line all the way down to the first tree, ensuring that the strap doesn't twist as you go. Check to make sure the handle is on the bottom side of the strap before inserting the second strap through the slot in the ratchet. Pull it as tight as you can before you start cranking it down. Put any excess line out of the way up against the tree, and most important of all, remember, when you're working with your hands above your head, everyone can see your belly button. We've got it set up. Everything's nice and flat. It looks like it's slightly downhill. Let's get the pulley and the swing attached to it and see if it works. We're gonna take this. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna just put it over the top. Like that.
Hold it.
There we go. We've got our swing all attached, and this can be adjusted here if you need to get it up or down higher. We got to do a weight test first. And since I'm the heaviest one, it has a weight limit of 250 pounds, which I don't weigh that much, but we're going to just give it a test. Now I'm going to be riding low to the ground probably because I am way heavier than the kids. So yeah, if this was me, I would want it to be higher. I might also crank it slightly tighter. You want to get it tight, but you don't want to get it too tight because then it would be hard to get off. Let's let Eli try first, since he's the lightest. Oh, well, that's a weird way to do it. Oh, gonna get on. Let's see how this goes for Cal. What we need is to increase the angle by a little bit. Oh, now you're going a little bit better. Yeah, actually it might be good. Yeah, it seems to be wearing in. Cal, you all right? Let me check the instructions again, because I feel like that probably wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, okay, I got it backwards. The starting point is the side without the ratchet. I read that backwards earlier. Oh. All right, and now you'll hit that and not the tree. That's what we do here at Fun Size Adventures. We make mistakes so that you don't have to. Boing. Miles, watch out. All right, that's not the way it's intended to use. He's asking me to get his face smashed into the tree now. All right, so as you can see, they're having a ton of fun, but it also comes with this bonus monkey bar that we can attach to this instead of the swing. And then you can also use some straps it comes with to set up a swing. So let's set that stuff up as well. Now these straps are the ones for hanging the swing up on its own, but you need a tree branch that's strong enough that's going out semi-horizontally, which, because I live in the woods, trees mostly grow up and not out. So we might have to get a little bit creative. All right. Please, please, please do not attempt this part at home. This substitute for a tree branch is probably not the safest thing I've ever done. straps on here. This whole thing might come down. Don't fall on me, don't fall on me. As you can see, it will work. If you have actual tree branches, it will work better. We might mess with this for a few minutes, then I'm gonna take it down before anybody dies. But if you enjoyed watching us set this stuff up and have a lot of backyard fun with it, you'll love this video of us doing the same thing with another piece of equipment. So I'll see you over in that video. Until next time, get out there in your backyard with your family and have a fun-sized adventure.
Of your own.
Thank you, cameraman.